whatever. We can have them over here and we can all talk about it.
My gosh, were you ever a child?
No. But I was bullied too. You know, you just have to learn to stand up for yourself.
Well, I guess I'm just not as brave as you. I don't want to stand out. I'm gonna go change, and then I'll collect some more cans for the charity drive. Oh, did you talk to your boss about the Chicago thing?
Okay, so apparently the case has been moved forward 2 weeks. And I'm the only paralegal who...
Mom!
I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna be gone a couple of days.
Really? Well, who's gonna stay with me?
Get a lovely sitter, yeah?
And just not Uncle Casey.
So, are you kidding? Uncle Casey, who thinks that green M&Ms are vegetables? No, that is not an option.
Coming! Hey there. Sorry, I was just grabbing a little power nap, Officer Jackson.
What's this you got going on in here?
Oh, this is just a temporary thing. I'm in between apartments.
Your meter's expired.
Actually, no, the meter is broken. So...
Actually, no. It's working. It just had this bag over top of it.
Oh, who put that there? This city, it is so disheartening. I'll get rid of that. Do you want to give me that? Just the... Okay.
No, I want to give you this.
Can we do this later? I'm so late. Okay. Give it to someone else. Pay it forward. I'm okay. I'm so sorry. I've got to go. So late. Hi, Casey Porter here to see Mr. Harrington about the illustrator job.
Hi, yeah. That was at 3:30, and it's 4:15.
Wow, pretty sure he said mountain time, so guess I'm early.
No, sorry.
Okay, then. Are these complimentary?
Sadly, yes.
Lunch.
Hey!
Hey, Malik, I'm collecting cans and bottles for my school's fundraiser. Do you have anything?
It's Malik the Magnificent now. I'm going to magic school. Hey, do you want to see a trick?
Sure.